Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Abdul Karim, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about Easter. It's Easter. Shout out to everybody who's Christian, but actually more importantly, today is 1.5 months from the holy month of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, it's my favorite time of year, Ramadan. I love Ramadan. This year for Ramadan, I'm going to do something truly special. Every day, I'm going to do a short video. I'm going to replace all my normal length videos with one short video every day during the holy month of Ramadan. Plus, I'll have a special treat for you guys right at the end. But, here's my challenge to you guys. Men, Muslim men out there, I have a facial challenge for you guys. See, I have this tradition during Ramadan where I grow a beard. So today, well actually it was like yesterday, but today is going to be the last time I shave. Right? I'm going to go upstairs after this, I'm going to shave, and then I'm going to let my beard come out. I'm basically, the idea is, by the end of Ramadan, I'm going to have a nice bit of facial hair tacked onto this. I don't know, it just makes me feel more rustic. It makes me feel like the olden days. It reminds me of those, you know, the age of the prophets, peace be upon them all. You know, men had beards. You know, it's just more rustic. It just feels good. So I invite all of you, come to goodness. Number one, come to goodness. Number two, grow a beard if you're a guy. You know, and if you're a girl, just suggest to your man to grow a beard. I mean, Ramadan's right around the corner, 1.5 months. You get a nice bit of facial hair on. By the end of Ramadan, Eid rolls around. You got a little bit of a beard. It's just nice for everybody, and it makes you feel good. So that's number two. Come to goodness, and remember, come to goodness.